In this video, we are going to learn about the formation of image by an object when it is placed at the focal point of a concave mirror. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 15 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. First, write the values from the given question. Then, draw a rough diagram. Don't directly start with writing the sign convention. First, draw the ray diagram. From the diagram, write the values with the proper sign convention. In the rough diagram, I place the object at focal point because they give 15 centimeter. The focal length also 15. Now height of the object is plus 4.0. The focal length is minus 15.0 centimeter because it's on the negative x-axis. The same way object distance is minus 50. Now we have to write the values with the proper sign convention. Now we set the stage for finding the values. So write the values with the proper sign convention. That is h is equal to plus 4.0, u is equal to minus 15, and f is equal to minus 15 centimeter. And we have to find v, m, and nature and everything. After writing all the values, write the formulas involved in this problem. Then after this, we are going to calculate v, position of the image. In the mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. We know the value of f and u, therefore 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. I'm substituting the value of focal length and object distance, and by doing a normal arithmetic operations, everything, finally I come to the level 1 by v is equal to 0 divided by minus 225.0, or v is equal to minus 225.0 divided by 0, that is equal to undefined. Okay, so it's infinite. V is equal to minus infinite. So minus mean indicates what? It is on the, that is in front of the concave mirror. So this negative sign indicates we get an image in front of a concave mirror where infinite. Now next one is magnification. M is equal to minus V by U. You know the value of V, that is a minus infinite. So I written minus infinite. U is minus 15. And finally we have M is equal to minus infinite divided by 15. That is already infinite is very big number. When you divide a very, very big number divided by a small number, again the number will be very big number. That's what we call as a undefined. So minus infinite. M is equal to minus infinite, no unit for this one. What does this negative sign indicates for the magnitude factor? It's a real image. The minus refers to what? It is a real image. So since the value of M is negative, the image obtained in this case is real. Next, we have to find the magnitude of M. When you find the magnitude, the value is infinite, that is very, very greater than 1. That means highly enlarged image. Infinite is very, very bigger than 1. That's what we call as a highly enlarged. Now next I'm going to find the height of an image found by this object. So h dash is equal to m into h. M is minus infinite and h is plus 4.0. When you multiply, again it's become infinite. Okay, that is when you multiply a very big number by a small number, again the value is a very big number. So h dash is minus infinite. This negative indicates the inverted image. Image obtained by in this case is inverted. Now we summarize everything. We got the image at minus infinite. Magnification is minus infinite without unit, no unit. And height of the image is minus infinite. So all are very big values. Okay. The image obtained in this case is in front of the concave mirror. And what is the nature of the image? It's a real image. Why is it a real image? Because the magnification factor is negative. And what about the height of the image? Negative. It shows what? Inverted image. Since the magnitude of M is very greater than 1, we call that as a highly